Hi, I'm Strawberry. Wait. Hi, I'm Strawberry. And we're gonna play Marble Race. Jump. So my favorite color is, I don't know, but there's section for and let's start. There's 24 marbles in here. Oh, but I'm stuck. What's happening is yeah, I'm inside of the marble. I'm gonna be a marble. Oh my god! Start! I said start! Yes, girl. Go, Bill. I go. Is this brick? I don't know how it's brick. Yeah, brick. It's gonna be first, girl. Go be first. Go be first. You're gonna be first, girl. Or else I'm gonna go to the other. I'm going to this. I'm always teleporting. Okay. Stop, stop. This is my line. This is my line. This is my line. Go, go. You don't need you don't need here. You don't need here. Yeah, you're gonna stuck me forever. Get away from my blue team. Get away from my blue team. I hate. So I hate color black because black is wood. Bye white tea. Bye white tea. Go, go! Go, green. Don't need, I'm racing. Hey, go! You're too slow! I cannot jump right here! Yes, go, yes, yes. Sorry guys, Darkbird is in the lead. Green is pro. And gonna teleport. Get away! Oh my! Get away from my Pookie Bear. And I'm stuck. Get we're gonna be the last chance. Okay, there we go. Let it go. Don't let Dark Green in the last. So who's gonna be next? Stop, stop, stop. You can gonna here. Not you, Black. You too. You're gonna be eliminated. Go, girls. Oh, I just teleport. Stop teleporting me. Super target. Or else you want to say oh, it's not in a green line, so museum.
Grabe ito mga ka-idol, no? Teacher, nalaksak ng mga estudyante. Grabe, nakita niyo na ba ito, guys? Ganyan na ba kapag pa ng mga tao ngayon? Grabe, oh. Bakit talaga tigilan?
Museum of Illusions. Note how. Don't forget to like. I'll visit to like it. Yes, bro. I should play. Stop loading. Oh, it's Billy. Howdy, welcome to the museum. Sigma, Sigma. Keep an eye out on the head. I'm not in. Okay, bye. Up. Go around. So I'm not going. Noob, are you broken? I'm sorry for the sneeze. Look at the middle. Do this move. Oh, stop. Check the line is moving. Not the other one. And there's no sign of skipping. There at the middle one. I don't know. Watch it bounce. Hi, girl. Ah! Ouch! Ooh. Stare at the blue dot if you see anything. I don't know. Oh, are you still looking here?
Paglalakad ng 40 minutes, 3 beses sa isang linggo ay nagbibigay ng proteksyon sa iyo.
Isa to lang. Okay, bye.
Ang paglalakad ng 60
Go
minutes sa
around.
isang araw ay nakakabawas sa sobra na pamahaan.
It's not.
At pagmuli,
Oh.
ang paglalakad ng 75
It
minutes sa
turn!
isang linggo ay
It
nakakadagdag.
turn na yo! I lay.
Madalas ka ba maglakad lang?
Do you see a bunny? Yes, I see a bunny. Go around. Wait, is that the eye? Oh. I thought I was flying. I was flying. I can show you. Just stare this if you see. In 2 minutes. I don't know why. Okay, that's enough. It's gonna hurt your eye. Go up the stairs and keep looking. But you keep looking, sorry. And you some more. Ah! I'm stuck. Okay, I'm not stuck. There's more. Move along around. Wait, why is it working? Oh my god, optical illusion now. Wait, is it working? If you go too far, you see the... Don't stare at me like that. You're staring. I like this, I like this. I guess stop stepping on the laser. Oh, there's many. Keep moving around. Okay. Oh, stop. Move your head. You can see anything. Wait, I need to throw up. I guess if this is an optical illusion. Oh, I'm gonna call 911. Stop. Hello? Can I have burger, please? This is not 911. This is not optical illusion. No. Oh, this is so epic. Oh my goodness. But this is looks like so. Wow. So what is this? Look at the yellow dot. You should add that to the wow. Look at the yellow dot. Yellow dot. I thought what is the yellow duck. Looks like a duck. See, it's twirly. So many. I hate that. I love that. Look around. Wow. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh my god, it's stuck. Hi, I'm doing ASMR. First, go look around. Alright, that's it then. Oh, move left and right. Oh my god. Hi, we're doing book ASMR. All my spit is on my... Oh my god. Can you see me? I'm running. It's an optical illusion, no? Falalala. Wait. Wait. Okay, this is my favorite. Let's click a book. So many more. Turn up your graphics. Which face is facing? In a face slide. What is graphics? Wait, I hate that. Look around. Made by Alexander Moog. Wait. Wee. Oh ma! Wait. Look like. Wait. Look like. That's the thing. Wow, my god. So this is cool. If you go inside, looks like there's a big tiny and floating, I don't know. So if you jump, incredible. Try this. My favorite. This is too far. Why is it moving slowly? Look at it from a triangle. Wait, I can fit in it. I don't know. I don't want to look silver because I don't have Robux. Wait, wait. Wait. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Looks like I'm in prison. Wait, I need to use that. And I go back. Sorry. I need to go back to that. And you are reminding my phone. Old sound. I'm wearing like Sonic. Anxiety, feeling cloudy, trying to silence me. Anxiety, keeping up with me. Somebody's watching me. It's small, oh my god, not that book.
Sa mga hindi pa marunong magdibo ng hita ng manok, ganito lang po kadali.
That's
Ayan, mas
1 out of 10.
Ayan,
And let's go to the next one. Go around. Wait. Looks like a green skin girl.
hita ng manok,
Oh,
ganito lang po kadali.
wow. I'm gonna go inside.
Maganda lutuin, lalo na
I'm on top of the world.
yan, tanggalan natin ang buto, lalo na pag mga bata na ang kakain.
How this is so many. Creator, stop this. Get closer, turn up. It's graphics. Is it the light? I don't know. Something here. It's a mysterious bike. Move left, right to see stuff. Made by Gold Octopus. Octopus. Ah! Wait, who made this? Nothing. He made it. Move left and right. Gotcha. Special. When you go there is small. Go there is it's bigger. Go this or big. Go the small. Big. Awesome. It's easy. Oh my god. Stop. Are you sus? Stop staring at me. Am I pretty? I'm bird like a strawberry. Okay, bye guys. I'm so tired.